Hello everyone, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to transfer WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android without a cable. So without any further ado, let's get started. What you need to make sure is that you have a WhatsApp account and that account is logged into it, and then you can use it. So what you want to do is click on your WhatsApp, then click on your bottom right settings. Then what I want to do is go on chats. Then there is option of transfer chats to iPhone or move chats to Android. So if you want to transfer the chats from iPhone to Android, then use the move chats to Android. Otherwise, you can use the transfer chats to the iPhone feature. So this way, if you click the button, then the chats will be automatically transferred, and it's also be helpful for you if you are using another phone for some days or you've changed your phone. So you can also click on chat backup, and as you can see, the phone is backing up here. So you can just go to your Android new phone, then go on a profile that you'd like to upload your chats and just back up your data on there. That'll also do the trick. So this is a quick and easy method on how to do this. If this video was useful, then please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's me Elise signing off. I'll see you in the next one.